I'm Connor, co-founder of Priority Bicycles. We designed the Priority 20-inch bicycle for younger riders who are moving beyond a beginner stage and are now ready for longer rides on varied terrain and with more gears. As with all of our bicycles, the Priority 20-inch features our signature high-quality and low-maintenance components that make for a smoother, cleaner, and more durable ride. That means your child can be comfortable on their rides, and you can feel confident that you're getting the best bicycle for your child. Our key design features start with our signature Gates belt drive. A belt drive is a game changer when it comes to children's bicycles. It's clean, lasts 3 times longer than a metal chain, never needs to be lubed, and will never rust. Plus, with no grease, that means cleaner hands and cleaner parents. As your child's rides get longer and they take on more terrain, the Start 20 features an internally geared 3-speed Shimano hub with intuitive grip shift. With a simple twist, your child can easily shift to use your Gear 1 for going up hills, Gear 2 for riding around town, and Gear 3 to really get some speed. The advantages of an internally geared hub over a traditional derailleur are that the bike doesn't need to be moving to shift gears, you don't need a routine tune-up to keep it shifting properly, and being sealed from the elements, it's much cleaner than an exposed gearing system. The bicycle has a lightweight, rust-proof aluminum frame with athletic geometry to provide stability and confidence while allowing for leverage on hills and stamina on longer rides. The Priority 20-inch also features multi-terrain tires that will tackle a wide range of surfaces and rides, from an after-school cruise on paved neighborhood lanes to the weekend adventure ride on hard-packed gravel or dirt. Inside the tire, there is a puncture-resistant casing that makes it difficult for thorns or glass to puncture through. It's important that your little one has a great experience while riding and that your Priority doesn't have to go to the shop. Ideally, that means no flats. As we move through the bicycle, you'll notice other key components like a quick adjust seat to accommodate your growing child, kickstand, and front, rear, and wheel safety reflectors. We recommend this bicycle for children approximately 6 to 11 years old. However, the best measurement is your child's inseam. To confirm the size is right for your child, measure their inseam, shoes off, ground to the top of the crotch. Note that novice riders will ride flat-footed, while advanced riders will be able to balance at a stop on their toes. The range we recommend is 20.5 to 28.5 inches. Please note that more advanced riders will typically be able to keep the seat a bit higher. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime to info@Priority Bicycles. We'd love to have your little one riding a Priority.